What is up, guys? Oh. What is up, guys? I got a box, as you can see here. If you have it on Snapchat, you might have seen it earlier. Some of you guys were saying some weird things, like what you think is in the box. I know you guys were just joking, but some of you guys are just weird. But yeah, I got a new box because this board that is used, thanks to Tyrone and Matt for giving me this board after they used it. I just broke it even some more, so it's like super cracked right now, and I started skating my brother's board. He's actually behind the camera, behind the tripod. But thanks to Jason for letting me skate his board, because otherwise I wouldn't have barely healed the floor. So thanks to Jason for that. And now we're just gonna see what board this is. So I don't know, from the title you probably already know, or like the thumbnail, but this is actually isn't a custom skateboard. So this is kind of like going back to a name brand deck again. There's really no specific reason. Skate Warehouse just had a huge sale on their website. It was a President's Day sale, and they were selling $20 and $30 decks. So I picked up 3, but I got 2 of them because I paid extra for shipping for one, since Skate Church is Friday and I needed a new board for Skate Church, so that's why. And I can't even get this open. There we go. Alright, so yeah, that's the reason why I didn't get a custom skateboard. Hopefully I can get a new one soon. But yeah, I already got it pre-gripped because I'm a noob and I suck at like gripping my boards most of the time. So they always do a perfect job. But yeah, so I don't know if you can see right now, but the brand I got this time, I don't even think I've owned this brand myself. Like, I know some friends who have before, but the brand I got was a blind. You can see here, it says damn. It's probably like that what's that one meme?
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh yeah, that one. But yeah, I got a blind deck. I've never tried these out before, so we're just gonna see how this skates. I got Jessup grip on it because last time it was pretty fine and it came free with it, so I was like, why not just get that? Because I'm super cheap and I always get free stuff if I can, or try to get the most budget option. But oh yeah, so you got the Skate Warehouse sticker. I don't know if you can scan that or not, but yeah, shout out to Skate Warehouse. And what else did I get? Is there anything else in here? Yep, nothing else. So I'm just gonna take apart this board, and then I'm gonna put it on this board, and then we're gonna go to the skate park and get some clips. No worries, I got another one. Okay guys, and that is the setup. Just to go over it, this is a blind skateboard. It's the Damn Bubble edition. And for trucks, I have Thunders. They're just the normal polished kind. For wheels, I have Spitfire Formula 4s, 53 millimeters. The bearings inside them are Bones Super Reds. Shorty's hardware with a mixture of some other hardware because I keep losing them. And Jessup grip tape is on the board. And I'm pretty sure that's it. So now we're gonna do the kickflip test and then get some clips of the park if the weather stays pretty good. So let's get to there right now. Let's go to the skate park. Alright, what's up guys? I'm at Apex Skate Park.
Vlog
and
362.
Nice.
Follow me on Instagram.
You want to shout out your Instagram?
Kofi Drake 4.
ZK Free Running, like ZKFREERUNNING.
Hey, make sure you go follow them.
Follow you, that's the thing.
Bro, that was sick. Go follow them, okay? Alright, so we're at Apex Skate Park. I just set up my new board, so we're gonna get some clips.
COLE_FRIEDRICH.
I swear, this kid talks so much whenever I'm filming a video.
He followed me for some reason. And I don't know why.
Yeah, we're just gonna get some tricks on my new board, and yeah, hopefully it's a good deck. Because I never rode a blind before.
To get another shout out. Boy. I'll take your boarding.
Alright.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Ouch.
You have to do the meme with I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, pick up some merch for a shout out. If you guys want to see a dank meme, click the card in the top right corner here. And yeah, otherwise than that,
everything he said.
Yeah. Or wait till the outro and click it. Either way, yeah.
Talking to a camera.
Don't subscribe to him. Yeah. Peace out.